What's up guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at how you can install these fairings on your Yamaha R1. Let's take a look.
So while he's screwing up the whole thing, we're gonna put each section into three parts basically: rear, middle and front. That's gonna help us when we're gonna put the new fairings on. Make it simpler and easier.
Yeah, and then we have a small idea where everything, like where to put everything if we decide to put the original fairings back on and stuff like that later on. So we have some. Yeah. We have a DB holders subframe and instrument holder. So we are not 100% sure which all of the bolts and nuts we need still when we start putting the bike up, but yeah. Now I'm taking off the battery because it's not a good idea to have it on when you start taking a lot of stuff apart. We're gonna basically take everything off. So
you mean a terminal only?
What?
Or the whole battery? I'm
gonna take the whole battery off because we have a lithium battery coming in anyways, which is a lot lighter. So
okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Find something new every day.
Let's put some. This is my favorite tape of all time. It's called gaffer's tape. It's used in the film industry a lot, which is my industry. This is a really good tape because it doesn't leave usually any marks, and it's like a fabric base, right? Yeah, so it's a good one to use most of the time. It doesn't hold as good as like a, what is it, Jesus tape?
Jesus tape.
What is that?
Duct tape.
Duct tape, that's true. It's duct tape. Jesus tape.
Wow.
But for applications like this, it's really good.
Gorilla tape.
Gorilla tape, that's true. So there we go. Jesus tape. And the reason why I'm doing this is because, well, basically it doesn't matter even if these hit each other because there's no electricity going on, but to keep the bolt in and to secure everything nicely, I'm just gonna put a little tape around it so we don't lose them, and it's easy to find them when we are done and start putting everything back together. Thanks. So there we go. All right. So I'm taking pictures of all the electronic stuff, how the wires are going, where they're connected and stuff. So if I afterwards have a problem with something, I can easily look at the picture and I can see where everything goes and how it's supposed to be set up. So it helps with dementia. So there we go. Now we have an idea. This is actually the servo motor that we're going to be taking off.
Okay.
That's not going back in there. Most of these electronics are just like hanging around here, and it seems that we can take most of them off without affecting anything too much. So we can just put them to the side and change the subframe. We'll see how it goes.
Did you have to lift these up or what? How was it? Ah, it's coming up.
You can't press it down. You have to do it like super light. So it comes up. If you press down, it won't.
I see. I have too much strength.
Okay, so here we have a pretty good example of the thing that I was talking about, which is now that we have a plastic fastener over here that's not coming out, you can put a small screwdriver, like a flathead screwdriver, under it, and start lifting up while you twist. And then you will get some friction in and it starts to come out. So that's how it works. Slowly and surely. And then you can pull on the Phillips head itself. You might need some assistance sometimes to get them off. This is the servo motor that we're going to take off. Ooh, that's heavy. It's going to be so much lighter and faster with the bike.
How many seconds?
Like
on the lap?
5.
Ooh, that's a big promise.
Yeah. How do we get this off? So many plastic bolts. Ooh. Go to the level.
Toi oli hieno toi käsi otettu pois. Ja jätti roikkuu.
It's like...
Oh. So you got left hanging?
Yeah. I thought you might get this off easily, and then I was like, okay, I will do this one easily.
Didn't happen. This is unbelievable. You have a hex tool there.
This is too big.
Yeah, well, here's the...
Why you give me the wrong size?
I don't know. You have a hex tool here, and then when you take it off, the fairing from here, you have a Phillips. What's the point of that? Why can't everything just be the same? Don't get me even started with the bolts on the engine, the 12-point socket thing, because that's ridiculous. That you might need. That's for the Phillips. That's the tank.
You mean the lower one?
Yeah.
Lights out.
Push it real good. How does it come off? Push it really well.
Push it. Ah, sticker.
Oh, it's just a Velcro. Okay. That's interesting.
Now they want it now. We have to remove this.
Yeah. But no, but it should come up like all the way.
Oh yeah.
There we go. All right, then we have some.
We don't have to take it off actually, right? The tank.
Yeah, we do. The subframes.
Oh
check.
yeah. Right.
So.
Tuohon tarvii noita tähtiä.
I have them.
Okay.
Don't swear.
Censored.
Yeah, but I don't want want to go through the whole fucking video.
Just mute my speeches.
I don't want to go through the whole video and beep, all the time. Beep, beep. Yeah, like beep 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 beep. It's gonna be. Nobody's gonna enjoy watching that. Can you get the blue rag, like the dirty one? Yeah, that one. Thanks.
It's the dirtiest I could find.
Thanks. Nice. The button is on the other side. I'm trying to press it from this side. Okay. Can you hold this one? So there's a. I think this is like the pipe that. Yeah. Forget about it. I don't know how to say it in English. This is the electrical wire for the fuel pump, and now we still have to take the fuel line off. Now there's going to be some fuel in the system already because the bike has been running before. So I'm getting this rag around the fuel line because some of it is going to drip out. It's going to be like
disaster.
What?
It's gonna be a disaster, right?
No. It's gonna vaporize.
The fumes.
Yeah, the fumes. Like that. If you get some fuel on the, like something drops on the bike, it's gonna like gone pretty fast. So it's not a huge problem. But it's nice to get a rag and cover it up a little bit so you don't get all of that falling on the pipes and the plastic parts. But yeah, the pump is also there, so it's not. It shouldn't, like, all the fuel shouldn't drop, like, hopefully.
Let's see.
We'll see. Where's my keikkamesseli?
Geekschmeichel.
Keikkamesseli! Go. Yeah, that's open. Just pull it out. There, a little bit of fuel came out, but that's not a big deal. All right, let's leave that there. There we go.
Towel.
I'm gonna just put this around the nozzle, the pump nozzle.
Good.
Alright, that's the fuel tank. Not much left in it, which is good. Let me put it here, so you're not able to see it anymore.
Thank you. So nice.
So we bumped into a bit of a problem while trying to take the subframe off. The ABS system has to be completely, like the lines have to be taken apart, and we have to drain the brake fluids from the system completely to do that, and we are not able to do it now, so we have to end this part of this bike build here until we can solve this problem. I was thinking about maybe ditching the ABS system completely and learning to ride properly. So now I might have to do it. Like, I might have to do it anyways. Like, there's no way around it but to lose this shit.
Yeah, let's see what we're gonna do. Are we gonna keep it or
Probably not.
delete it.
Probably not. Then.
Because it's not that good on track anyway.
Yeah, that's the problem with the 2019. I think the newer one is a little bit better, like the 2020 R1, but this one is not good on the track. This system, like it doesn't have a lean sensor, so it's only like straight up for street use, basically. And you can't take it off without like in the proper way, and it also hinders the performance of the brakes and the feel of the brakes a lot when you have the ABS system in. So I think this kind of made this problem make the decision for us.
It could be, yeah.
So yeah. Well, I guess it's thanks for this time, right? You want to close it off?
Yeah, see you next time. I hope you enjoyed what we're doing. We're just two guys rambling and, you know,
taking a super bike apart.
Yeah.
Basically. Yeah. Alright. That's it.
See you next time.
Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye bye.
Oh.